Okay. So can we introduce you guys at the bedroom or not? Right. Wait, you're not the cat before. Before I see you guys, follow me at the desk. You go to the hipping. I love this time. This time, we will do a sleepy cat riddle, okay? Ready? Let's go have fun! But wait. And if the cats are in the morning, we will see it. See us in next episode.